Davao City Representative Isidro Ungab has been replaced as the chair of the House Committee on Appropriations, while Oriental Mindoro Representative Doy Leachon is no longer the chair of HRET or the House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal. House Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano explains, Cayetano adds, Ungab has accepted his faith. But gives this warning. Leachon, on the other hand, slammed the House leadership for relegating the PDP laban to the sidelines.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.